Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Vincent took the trip from New York to get the audio upgraded on his bike. So we went with a Stage 3 high power on this one. It was a set of Dubiee drive motos, 6 CD in the fairing, Hertz 690 Neos in the lid, and a set of Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. We did HCAM Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness to make it plug and play into the factory GTS radio. We flashed the radio, upgraded the battery to a Braille, and we did sound. It's a high power setup, so we did a Sound Digital Evo X 1600.1 and a 800.4, both amplifiers mounted in the fairing. To say he was happy with the way it sounded would be a complete understatement. He could not believe how loud and clear the bike was. Check it out.
Oh, I already see what it is. He thinks he's a gangster. Mr. Carly Paul, Mr. Carly Paul. Cause you did time. Oh, listen here, gangster. Don't cross the line. We know. Don't get failed. 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 Beamers in and powers. Thugs in and ballers. Ain't nothing safe when them things start. Look, man, keep thinking we shook, man. Doing like Bethune and Cook, man. You ain't ready for them things to... Look, chump, you really think you laugh? But we can take this thing outside. Park the dog, park the trunk, and let them things. Think you're gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen, you're gangster. Don't cross the line. We out. Un consejo que lo piensen bien, ten cuidado que yo vengo a 100, prepárate, yo no juego, lo único que tengo es mi palabra y los dos huevos, so respeten el movimiento, oye, no hay invento, brinco, mira papo, lo siento, pero la verdad es que ellos no pueden con esto, y si tú crees que lo tienen bien puesto, entonces ponga puesto, dale. You did time, oh listen, you gangster, don't cross the line. Kind of boys ride Chevys with the pipes out, and they got to put the pipe out. My question is, who the fuck wanna fight now? Well, when you ride by the blocks and open lock, all they scream is yeah.
But you were the only cause, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my properties. Next time you come my way, I know just what to say.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Vincent brought us his brand new Road Glide for NVS Audio Stage 3 high power. Are you completely happy with the sound?
Most definitely, man. I was blown away. When he cut it on, I couldn't believe how incredible the sound was. It was clear, bass. Make sure you bring your bikes to NVS. Stop playing around.
Thank you, sir.